Supplier Inventory Management System allows the user to manage suppliers, plants, and parts. Approval is required for any change to supplier, plant, or parts. Templates can be used for bulk uploads. This solution integrates with Power BI for the dashboard. Let's take a look at the application. Here are the various entities for supplier, employee, external user, plant, and parts. Let's add a new supplier, assign the plant and part. We can download supplier-specific templates for bulk upload, update the data, and import it back into the system. The approver can approve or reject parts on this dashboard. Here, the user can check and update the stock for parts at different plants. The Power BI dashboard shows various counts, such as counts of parts assigned to suppliers and count of parts by plants. For more Mendix solutions, please visit our website at www.prolim.com/mendix/apps. To understand more how Prolim can help you, email us at info@prolim.com.